So if you're wondering why there's no blooper at the beginning of this video, it's because this whole video was a blooper, or is a blooper. So let me explain myself. I actually filmed this video and forgot to turn on the mic. So you'll see a whole bunch of hand gestures and whatnot. It's because I'm talking, and yeah. It wasn't until I was editing my footage yesterday did I realize I forgot to turn on the mic, which is why I am filming again today. So, if you want to know how I make the setting powder, or if you want to know how I custom make my own setting powder, please keep watching. So, I use the Ben Nye banana powder, as well as the Ben Nye neutral set, and what I do is that I use 2 scoops of banana powder and 1 scoop of neutral set. So let's back up here. I like the banana powder because I am of yellow tone, but the only problem is that the banana powder is really yellow. Like really yellow, like I look like a banana if you see me in the light. So I tone it down with the neutral set because the neutral set, the powder itself, I find is really good, and it also keeps my oily face at bay for a few hours. That's pretty much that's pretty much better than any setting powder that I've used, but I can't use it on its own because it makes me look really ashy. So I use the neutral set to tone down the banana powder. And that's about it. Also, the good thing is about customizing your own setting powder is that I get to customize it according to season. So if I'm really tanned, I'll use 3 scoops instead of 2. And in the summer, I'll use like a 1-to-1 ratio. So my setting powder will always match my skin color depending what time of the year it is. And there you have it. That is how I make my own setting powder. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe all down below, or if you want to find me on all my social media, it'll be in this corner, I'm assuming, or this corner. It doesn't matter. It's spelled kiss.jennie, Jennie with an IE, or if you want to subscribe to my channel, click somewhere down here. And if you want to if you want to catch me in my last video, click on another video that's down here. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I will see you on my next video. Bye-bye.